This is the room tour for Belmont Riding Club suite rooms on the second floor. As the name board suggests, here you go in straight. This is your living room, and here you see mirror, table, lights in a form of antique, which gives you a rustic feel. And right here on the wall you have the wall decors. Straight up, if you go, you see the balcony, and if you open this, you get a view of the outside. Nice climate, all greenery. You step into the balcony, you get a 360 view or 180-degree view of the resort. And here you see the entrance. You will see it's equipped with a table and a couple of chairs and a divan for making it more look like a living room. In you go. This is a sort of mini room with two beds for two people. Comes with a fan and the antique light. And here if you go in, it's a bedroom. Again, antique lights. The room. This room has an AC, whereas the other rooms only have the facility of a fan. This is the view from the extreme corner of the bedroom, and here you have your wardrobe and you have a mirror, a big sized mirror. And here I'll show you the view from the other edge of the room, and there you see a full length wardrobe. Mirrors, AC, and again view from the other balcony opens up straight onto the garden.